but I think we have one of one of the most interesting, maybe, and future-oriented, interested topics on the agenda now, which is covering artificial intelligence. And so we have a presentation by Houmet Ali from Djibouti PCS, DPCS. Houmet is COO of DPCS, and I will now directly give the floor to him. Houmet, normally you can share your own presentation if that normally should work. Yep, almost. Yep. If you can just set it in presenter mode, then I think you can start. Yeah, perfect. Go ahead.
Okay, and I think now it is a good afternoon for you guys. Because for me it is it's already 3 o'clock, and thank you for having me here actually. And as you have already mentioned, I will talk to you about artificial enhanced last mile logistic for sustainability, for reduced environmental impact. So this is the content. So first of all, and I'm going to briefly define last mile logistic. So last mile logistic is the final stage of the delivery process involving the transportation of goods from distribution center to the end consumer doorstep. So it plays obviously crucial roles in supply chain management, directly impacting customer satisfaction, operational efficiency, and also the brand reputation of the involved companies. So we'll also discuss the challenge and the negative impact of the last mile logistic. So some challenges faced by last mile logistic are rising customer expectation. So meeting the increased demand of rapid same-day and even same-hour delivery without significantly raising costs is a challenge. The other thing is the route optimization. So designing an efficient route considering multiple drop-off requires sophisticated technology, and it can also be complex. So the other aspect is cost control. So last mile delivery can be costly due to factors like fuel cost, vehicle maintenance, labor, making also balancing cost control with efficiency and customer satisfaction, and is a major challenge. So the other challenge is environmental impact. So this is actually the main part of the subject as well. So organization are challenged to, especially the organization involved in the logistic, they are challenged to adapt to greener solution, comply with corresponding regulation of the countries or where they operate in, necessitating rethinking of the traditional practice. So there is another issue, which is retention and training of the drivers in the logistic. So high turnover rate among drivers and the needs for continuous training and customer services and technology uses poses ongoing challenges. So that's one part of the challenge as well. So the other challenges is the capacity limitation. The capacity limitation is handling increased volume during peak times without compromising on delivery time or cost can also be very difficult, is a challenge. The other issue is the security and the theft is also big challenge. Ensuring the security of goods, especially the high value items, and dealing with the theft are significant concern. There is also other negative impact of the last mile logistics, especially on sustainability. So last mile logistics has significant negative impact on sustainability and the environment. Several key challenges which contribute to that are surge in the e-commerce that we currently see. Online shopping has led to skyrocketing, an increase in carbon emission from delivery vehicles. It has been estimated that by 2030, demand for urban last mile delivery is projected to increase about 78%, resulting in about 36% rise in the delivery vehicles in the world around top 100 cities around the world, which will give us around 11% increase in the delivery related emission. So the other fact is the same day shipping. So the same day shipping and fast shipping option mean delivery vehicle leaves with less cargo instead of going full. Because of the urgency, it goes less cargo and embark on longer journey, increasing transportation emission as well. There is other issue like environmental tolls. So that's issue like air pollution, traffic congestion, and emission regulation in crowded urban areas are intensified by the growth of last mile logistic. And also there is packaging waste and insufficient route also contribute to the environmental tolls. So to mitigate this negative impact, sustainable last mile delivery solution are needed. So that's where the artificial intelligence come into play into last mile logistic or logistic and supply chain management in general. So artificial intelligence. So what is artificial intelligence? In logistic and supply chain refer to the use of advanced algorithm, machine learning, data analytics to automate and optimize various processes across the supply chain. The main objective of using AI in this context is to increase efficiency, productivity, and sustainability. So the application of artificial intelligence in logistic and supply chain management. The application and AI has a potential to revolutionize the way logistic and supply chain operation are managed. So that can give us improved efficiency. AI can significantly improve the efficiency of logistic and supply chain operation by optimizing various processes. For instance, AI-powered route optimization can help reduce transportation cost and improve delivery time by analyzing real-time traffic data and other variables. Additionally, artificial intelligence can streamline the warehouse management by optimizing layout, improving inventory management, and reduce labor cost through automation of tasks such as picking and packing and packing. There is the other element is the predictive analytics. Predictive analytic in AI predictive analytics capability can be leveraged to improve demand forecasting, enabling companies to better manage inventory levels and avoid stock outs. This is particularly useful in industry where demand patterns are complex and difficult to predict. So artificial intelligence can also be used to predict potential disruption in the supply chain, allowing for proactive mitigation and and minimizing the impact on the operation. So also artificial intelligence helps to enhance customer services. So AI-powered chatbot and virtual assistant can provide customer with quick and accurate responses to their queries, enhancing customer satisfaction. So AI can be also used to track shipment. Client can use it to track shipment, especially in real time, providing customers with transparency and peace of mind. The other aspect is automation of tasks. Artificial intelligence can automate various tasks in logistic and supply chain management, such as custom clearance, vessel manifest, and in inventory management. This will not only reduce the workload of human employees, but also minimize the risk of human error, which is a big factor. So the other aspect is also integration with the legal system. Artificial intelligence offers significant benefit for logistic and supply chain management. There are obviously challenges associated with the integration into already existing systems. So companies need to ensure that the legal systems are compatible with artificial intelligence technology, and the data quality is high enough to support accurate insight and prediction. So, like we've seen this morning, cybersecurity is also important factor. So AI-powered systems are vulnerable to cybersecurity attacks and data breaches, which can result in significant financial and reputational damages, which we've seen already with some big shipping lines around the world. Companies need to prioritize cybersecurity measures to protect their artificial intelligence system and data. So artificial intelligence enhanced last mile logistic for reduced environmental impact. So how this artificial intelligence can be applied for reduced environmental impact. The integration of artificial intelligence in last mile logistics has the potential in significantly reducing environmental impact by optimizing delivery routes, managing demands, and improving vehicles fleet management. So here we have route optimization. So an artificial algorithm can continuously analyze data from various sources, including historical traffic patterns, real-time roads, conditions, and delivery locations to generate optimal delivery route. So this dynamic route adjustment minimizes travel time, fuel consumption, and environmental impact. So the other aspect is demand prediction. So AI-driven demand forecasting modules can accurately predict future demands for product or services, and enabling logistic companies to optimize inventory management, procurement, production planning processes. So this helps prevent stock out, reduce excess inventory, and optimize supply chain operation, therefore by improving resource utilization and minimizing cost. So we have also vehicle fleet management. So artificial intelligence play a crucial role in optimizing the management and operation of delivery fleet, including trucks, vans, drones, and autonomous vehicles. So artificial powered vehicle tracking and monitoring system collect data and vehicle location and speed and other parameters to ensure efficient fleet utilization and reduce emission. We have also environmental and sustainability. The use of artificial intelligence in last mile logistics can help mitigate the environmental impact of traditional delivery methods, which relies on fossil fuel powered vehicles and contribute to traffic congestion, air pollution, carbon emission. So embracing eco-friendly delivery solutions such as electric vehicles and alternative transportation modes is essential in advancing toward a more sustainable future. So also artificial intelligence helps in cost saving and efficiency. Implementing artificial intelligence in logistic operation can lead to significant cost saving, improved inventory levels, enhance several service levels. AI algorithm can combine real data and enable logistic companies to identify the most efficient route to take, lead to reduced fuel usage and lower operation cost. So also the artificial intelligence helps in last mile logistic to enhance customer satisfaction. So that's mean quicker route and on-time delivery lead to happier customers. So AI-powered route planning ensure that delivery are made within the promised time framework, improving customer satisfaction and retention of the customer. So customer behavior analysis, also artificial intelligence helps with the customer behavior analysis. So AI analysis customer behavior and also the client preference to offer personalized delivery option. So this will improve the overall customer experience and increase customer loyalty toward the company. So by understanding customer preference, AI help logistics companies tailor their delivery services to meet individual needs. So also the artificial intelligence helps on decision making. Artificial intelligence in logistics provide valuable insight by analyzing large volume of data. So logistic companies can use this information to make informed decision, identify areas for improvement, and adapt their strategy accordingly. So predictive analytics also helps in demand forecasting, so allowing businesses to align their inventory levels with customer need. So artificial intelligence also helps in reduce carbon footprint in the last mile logistics. So optimized route result in less fuel uses and reduce emission. By minimizing the distance traveled and eliminating unnecessary idling or detours of AI-driven route planning contribute to sustainable efforts and environmental conservation in last mile logistics. So, and what are the specific environmental impact that AI enhanced last mile delivery can reduce? AI enhanced last mile delivery can significantly reduce several specific environmental impact, which is fuel consumption and emission. So as we already mentioned, AI algorithm optimize delivery routes, so reduce travel time and fuel consumption. So this lead to lower emissions and a smaller carbon footprint. So the second point is traffic. So traffic congestion. So in traffic, by dynamically adjusting route based on real time traffic condition, AI helps minimize the time spent in traffic, reduce congestion, and the associated environmental impact. Also, The other environmental impact reduced by AI is air pollution. The adoption of eco-friendly delivery solutions like electric vehicles, alternative transportation modes, enabled by artificial intelligence, obviously, contribute to reducing air pollution and environmental degradation. We also have carbon emission, another impact. So AI-driven route optimization and load optimization ensure that each delivery vehicle is loaded to optimal capacity. So reducing the number of trips required to deliver the same amount of goods. This leads to obviously lower carbon emission and a more sustainable delivery process. So for environmental sustainability, artificial intelligence play a crucial role in promoting environmental sustainability by optimizing the routes, managing demands, and improving vehicle fleet management. So this helps reduce the environmental impact of last mile logistic and contribute to more sustainable future. And the other impact is the urban congestion. So artificial intelligence addresses urban congestion by optimizing delivery route and the schedule and reduce the time spent navigating through congested area. So minimizing environmental impact associated with the urban delivery operation. The other aspect is delivery time window. Artificial intelligence helps meet customer demand for precise delivery time slots, reducing the need for re-delivery in case you have missed the client at home or wherever. So and the associated that reduce the associated environmental impact. So last mile accessibility. So artificial intelligence improved the accessibility of delivery destination, particularly in remote or rural area, by optimizing route and reduce the environmental impact associated with last mile delivery. So by addressing all this environmental impact, AI enhanced last mile delivery operation can contribute significantly to more sustainable logistic ecosystems. So, as the title suggested, what are the technology used in last mile delivery to reduce the environmental impact? Is route optimization algorithm is one of it. So artificial intelligence algorithm analyze the data from various sources like traffic pattern, road condition, like already explained, and delivery location to generate optimal delivery route. So by dynamically adjusting route based on real-time data, this algorithm minimize travel time, fuel consumption, and emissions, contributing to environmental sustainability. So the other issue is the demand forecasting models. So AI-driven demand forecasting models leverage advanced statistical method and machine learning algorithm to predict future demand accurately by optimizing inventory management and procurement processes. This module helps prevent stock out, reduce excess inventory, and enhance resources utilization, ultimately minimizing the cost associated with this and the environmental waste. We have a vehicle fleet management system is the other sort of the technology. So AI-powered vehicle tracking and monitoring system collect data on vehicle location, and it collect also data on vehicle speed and also other parameters to ensure efficient fleet utilization. So by optimizing the management and the operation of delivery fleet, artificial intelligence reduce obviously emission and promote eco-friendly practices in last mile delivery operation. So we have predictive analytics. Predictive analytics helps use predictive analytics to interpret the data, and it also helps on how to manage the information and apply predictive intelligence in last mile delivery. So by analyzing obviously always the historical data and customer behavior and external factors, so artificial intelligence can predict demands, and depending on this data and analysis, and optimize the route and ensure efficient resources planning ahead, and leading to reduced fuel consumption and emission. We also have autonomous delivery solution. So autonomous things like robot, drones, and autonomous vehicle leverage artificial intelligence to automate various tasks previously obviously performed by humans. So this technology enables fast and secure delivery processes, reducing delivery times, improving mobilities, and enhancing vehicle capacity, ultimately contributing to more sustainable last mile delivery practices. So the other element is the dynamic scheduling. So artificial intelligence facilitates the dynamic scheduling of the delivery based on changing demand patterns and real-time condition. By adjusting delivery schedules and dispatching vehicles efficiently, and AI helps business respond to customers' need promptly while minimizing idle time, reducing overall fuel consumption, thereby promoting obviously the sustainable last mile logistic or last mile delivery operation. So this AI technologies play a crucial role in optimizing last mile delivery process, reducing the environmental impact, and enhancing the overall efficiency and sustainability of last mile logistic operation.
Umit, yeah, sorry to interrupt you, but we need to speed up a little bit. I think people are getting hungry as well, but we have 5 minutes to go. So, and I know that in your presentation you have some concrete examples further on and some future steps. So if I can speed up a little bit, that would be great. Thanks.
Okay, and okay, for the route optimization, and okay, we'll just skip. Okay, for the route optimization, instead of going through the explanation, and because the way the route optimization works is by real traffic update, and also the predictive analytics, customer cluster analysis, and dynamic routing. So I will go to actually to the companies that the companies that use artificial intelligence for these purposes. And we have UPS, and we have DHL, we have Amazon. Also, we have other companies like Google. So these companies are testing delivery drones for last mile logistic operation. So Amazon's aims to deliver 500 million packages per year via autonomous aircraft by the end of this decade, which has the potential to obviously significantly reduce the environmental impact compared to traditional methods. So actually, I will go to the concrete example in micro-fulfillment center for sustainability. So micro-fulfillment center is a small-scale warehouse or distribution center strategically based closer to customer, typically in urban area, to facilitate efficient order fulfillment. So this center play a crucial role in modern logistics, especially in the e-commerce sector, by enabling retailers to fulfill online orders rapidly and streamline the last mile delivery process. So and I will go to the case study, which is done by Accenture. So according to a study done by Accenture using local micro fulfillment center, and so they've used three cities. Actually, they've used London, Sydney, and they used Chicago. So so what happened is to fulfill just a half of the e-commerce orders in those cities could reduce delivery vehicle related to emission by it has been estimated by 2025 by 16 to 26%. So the study found found that London would likely to see the largest delivery traffic reduction of 13%, equating to about 320 million fewer miles traveled by the delivery vehicles. So the study also has identified substantial and achievable reduction in the emission of the carbon dioxide and nitrogen oxide, and arising from a reduction in the delivery volume through the increased use of micro fulfillment center. So the greatest CO2 production could be achieved in London. That's what they have estimated, 144,000 tons, followed by Chicago, which is 68,000 tons, and Sydney 52,000. So deploying route optimization technology alongside the micro fulfillment center could reduce delivery traffic by additional 3 to 4% across the three cities. That's what has been estimated according to the study. So the additional reduction in vehicle travels will be highest for London, which is 87 million miles, followed by Chicago, which is 38 million miles, and Sydney by 34. So micro fulfillment center also have offer a promising solution for reducing the environmental impact for last mile delivery in the big cities by storing inventory closer to the customer and optimizing delivery routes. So let's move to the metrics used by companies to calculate or to see how they are doing. So company track how they track. Company track the reduction of environmental impact achieved through IA, enhanced last mile logistics, by utilizing the following metrics, which is fuel consumption monitoring, carbon emission tracking, and they also use by package tracking and optimization, like AI-driven tracking system provide real-time information and about packages location, estimated arrival time, by analyzing data on the delivery route, packages size, and delivery frequencies. Also, they use the other metric is to use missed delivery or redelivery percentage, tracking the percentage of missed delivery or instance requiring redelivery provide insight into operational efficiency and the environmental impact of additional trips. So they minimize missed delivery and can lead to reduced fuel consumption and environmental impact. So The other metrics is energy efficiency and premises, resources utilization. Companies analyzes the resource allocation and utilization efficiency to optimize delivery operation by tracking the number of trips, vehicle capacity, delivery volumes. Company can identify opportunities to improve resources efficiently and reduce waste and minimize environmental impact to enhance the last mile logistic delivery. So also there is another aspect which is vehicle utilization, energy efficiency in promises, resource optimization, route optimization efficiency. So this is the, if they have to calculate, so they can use fuel consumption rate, fuel consumption per mile, per stop, per driver, route optimization. There is a software for the route optimization like Wise system, Shiba. Those software can be utilized, can be used. So just to wrap up, this is the benefit of using artificial intelligence enhanced last mile logistic. So route optimization, demand prediction, vehicle fleet management, environmental sustainability, cost and saving efficiency, enhance customer satisfaction, reduce carbon footprint, enhance decision making, and sustainable last mile logistic and AI trend. However, the main thing to highlight is obviously, and there is challenges. Even though there's advantages and everything, there is challenges with implementing artificial intelligence. So in last mile logistics, so company faces several challenges, including last mile infrastructure integration. Integrating into existing businesses processes and system can be complex and require significant investment in infrastructure. Company may struggle as well with connecting an artificial solution to the last mile delivery operation effectively, leading to delays and operation disruption. And there is also management and integration of AI data with environmental metrics, the metrics that we have mentioned above. So thus poses challenges for companies, because ensuring that AI data align with established environmental indicator and measurement framework require careful coordination and data integration effort to accurately quantify the environmental benefit of artificial intelligence technology in last mile delivery. And there is also technical expert and skills gap. So implementing artificial intelligence requires special technical expertise and skills. Company may face challenge in recruiting and retaining the artificial talent who have artificial intelligence talent. Training existing staff is a challenge, and ensuring that they have the necessary knowledge to leverage artificial intelligence effectively in the last mile delivery is a challenge. So lack of skills professional can impede the success for implementation. So the other item is AI explainability and transparency. Always it has been a challenge, whether it is port community system, whether it is last mile logistic. So ensuring artificial intelligence algorithm is crucial for building trust and understanding among stakeholders. And companies might be able to explain how artificial intelligence-driven decisions are made in last mile delivery process to address concern about bias, accountability, ethical consideration. So achieving transparency in the AI system can be challenging, but it is a really essential for successful implementation. So the other aspect is the cost and return on investment. So it is a concern. So it is very, very important as well. And so apart from alternative apart from artificial intelligence, enhanced last mile logistic, we have also other alternative like parcel lockers for the environmental impact, obviously, and we have also freight by waterway. So waterways can be significant amount of cargo with less energy compared to truck, rail, and air transport. Utilizing waterways for last mile logistic delivery can reduce energy consumption and emission, providing alternative sustainable transportation option. So tram transport as well, and bicycle and autonomous artificial intelligence machines. The future of last mile delivery may involve robots and driverless vehicles. Autonomous vehicles have the potential to revolutionize last mile logistics by picking up packages from warehouse and delivering them directly to customers. While this technology is still at early age, evolving, companies are investing in developing autonomous delivery solution for the future. So this alternative mode for transportation offer innovative and sustainable solution for the last mile delivery, aiming to reduce emission, improve efficiency, and meet the evolving demand of modern logistic and e-commerce operation. So the future trend and development, the future of last mile delivery is set to be shaped by several key trends and development driven by the advancement in artificial intelligence technology. So increased automation and regulatory framework. And as artificial intelligence technology continue to evolve, there is an expectation that the government, obviously regionally or around the world, will develop regulatory framework to facilitate the safe and efficient use of autonomous vehicles, drones, and other artificial power delivery system. The other item is enhanced personalization and sustainability. And there is also integration of artificial intelligence in adaptable and flexible delivery mode. The future will likely see artificial intelligence integrate in creating delivery networks that are both adaptable and flexible. This will involve leveraging artificial intelligence to dynamically allocate delivery to a combination of human drivers and autonomous vehicles and and drones, optimizing efficiency and reducing cost. So AI algorithms become more sophisticated. They will enable companies to respond more effectively to changing condition and customer demand, ensuring that delivery network remain resilient and responsive to market needs. So as a conclusion, I would say the future of last mile logistic is poised for significant advancement, with the AI playing a central role in driving automation, personalization, sustainability, and adaptability and delivery network. As technology continue to evolve and regulatory framework are established, we can expect to see more efficient, customer-centric and environmental-friendly last-mile delivery landscape. So obviously, challenge remain, including the complexity of integration artificial intelligence into, as I mentioned earlier, existing system, and ensuring data quality and managing cost and overcoming regulatory and safety concern. However, overall, AI-driven last-mile logistic present a crucial advancement toward a more sustainable, efficient, and customer-centric delivery ecosystem. And thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Omid. Yeah, I think that the importance of this topic for port community system and single windows in the future, in the next coming years, will be of increasing importance. I think we all agree on that. Yeah, thank you very much. And I actually, in the beginning, I forgot to mention a bit the context of this presentation, because I will share with the audience that this is done based on what we all have heard now on an extensive research, which Humet has done in the context of that he's working on a thesis, I think, if I'm not mistaken, Humet, on this specific topic.
Yes, that's correct. That's correct.
Which you will defend in June somewhere. I don't know the exact date.
No, the proposal is in Bordeaux in June, yes. In about 2 weeks. In about month's time, yeah.
Yeah, I hope this was a good rehearsal for you to do that.
Yes, yes.
Again, thank you very much. Thank you very much for this.